Hi everyone, I want to show you how easy it is to set up a brand new client within the TaxCalc suite, grabbing that data from the Companies House database. So if I go into Practice Manager here, create a new client, let's go with a limited company, and we're going to use the Search Companies House option here. So I've just taken on a new client, Kingston Solo Limited. I'm going to type that in. This is now searching the live Companies House database, and then I can find the company. Let's give this a client code and click create. And there we go. The company has been created within that system, and we've populated the name of the company, company number, company type, and the date of incorporation. Now what we're going to do through this sync wizard is identify what information we want to grab from Companies House and put into our database. So as we go through, you can see we've got your local data on the left. This is everything that currently exists within the TaxCalc database. And then on the right, all the information that we're pulling from Companies House. So you don't have to sync everything. Companies House might not be fully up to date on certain things, like if there's been a change of address and Companies House haven't been updated, or you're aware that there's another director and the details haven't been submitted. Check them as you go through, but essentially for a brand new client, we can pull all that information in if we so wish. So if I click on Sync All, that has now transferred all those items that weren't in our database into our database so that we've captured them. And we can just work our way through and capture all the bits of information that Companies House hold and put them into our database like this. And it's not just the company's details themselves or the director's information. That can be pulled in as well. So if you want to create each of the directors as a client, then we can do that. So let's add a client code in for this director. As you know, you won't have the full date of birth for the directors on the Companies House database, so we give the option of entering it at this stage if you know it. Otherwise, you can leave it blank and find that out later from your client. So I won't go through and complete everything, but you can sync as much or as little data from Companies House as you like. Click Finish and Open, and that client will be created within TaxCalc with all the information that's held within Companies House. So as you can see, a very quick and easy way to set up a brand new client within TaxCalc.